Hi, good morning. This is your Chef Prakash. How are you all? And today we are going to discuss about how to improve your bone strength. So there is lot of ways to improve your bone strength, even by doing some exercise, walking, and weightlifting, whatever it is. We can improve our bone strength. But today I want to give you some tips. It's not only for your bone, and it will keep you young always. Once you start to continue these steps, it will keep you always young. If you get above 45, 50 also, you look young. But you have to continue this method daily. You will not stop. There is only three things. One is almond, and another one is black channa, and another one is dry grapes. Take these three things, just 25 gram, 25 gram, 25 gram each, and soak in the water at the night. And early morning, without taking anything, in the empty stomach, you have to take this three item: dry grapes, almond, and black chana. In this, you have, for the almond, you have to remove the skin of the almond before you eat. Don't eat with skin. Just peel the skin. After that, you eat. And one more thing, these three things, once you will start, no need for breakfast, because you get more energetic food this one, because you have channa is there and almond is there, so it's keep you healthy. So no need, you have to think about the breakfast. If you wish to take breakfast, it's up to you. But these three things, once you start to follow up, there is no joint pains, there is no bone related issues come to your body, and your skin, and you look very young. But you have to continue this daily. Maybe 1 or 2 days you can skip, but you have to continue this method. It will help you to keep your bone strength stronger. So this is the tips of the day. Hope it is useful for you all. Have a good day. Thank you so much.